Today I will show you how to download, install and start using LibreOffice on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. Step 1. Download LibreOffice. Go to the official LibreOffice website and the link will be on the description. Click download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Step 2. Install LibreOffice. Open the downloaded LibreOffice installer file. If a security prompt appears, click yes to continue. Click next. Leave the default installation settings and click install. Wait for the installation to complete, then click finish. Step 3. Start using LibreOffice. Open the LibreOffice from the start menu. Choose a tool like Writer for documents, Draw for sketches, or Impress for presentations. And now you can start creating and editing your files. Now you have LibreOffice installed and ready to use. Hope this video helps, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.